How to export in Affinity Designer transparent PNG, SVG, and more. Today, I'm going to show you how in less than 3 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to save your designs in the right format without losing quality or wasting time. If you've ever struggled with exporting images that come out blurry, with a background you didn't want, or in the wrong file type, this will finally fix that for you. To get started, open your project inside Affinity Designer. Before exporting, make sure your canvas looks exactly the way you want because your export will reflect what's on the screen. Now, to export a transparent PNG, which is the format most people need for logos, stickers, or graphics with no background, go to the top menu and click on Export. In the window that pops up, select PNG, then check the option labeled Transparent Background. You'll also want to keep the file at 100% quality to maintain clarity. Once everything looks right, press the export button and choose where to save it. Your image should now be clean, sharp, and background free. If you need an SVG file, which is the best option for icons, scalable graphics, or anything meant to stay sharp at any size, the steps are similar. Open the export panel again, choose SVG, and make sure your shapes are clean and properly grouped so the file exports correctly. SVG keeps everything crisp, so if you're creating graphics for websites or apps, this is the format you want. After selecting it, hit Export and save the file wherever you prefer. Affinity Designer also lets you export in other formats like JPEG, PDF, and EPS depending on what you need. For JPEGs, remember they always include a background, so only choose that format if you don't need transparency. For PDFs, choose whether you want it for print or digital use since each has different recommended settings. You can also use the presets if you're not sure, and they'll give you a reliable export without needing to adjust anything manually. The great thing about exporting in Affinity Designer is that once you get used to these steps, you can do everything in seconds. You'll always know which format fits your project and how to avoid mistakes like pixelated images or unwanted backgrounds. Now you have a fast, simple guide you can use anytime, and you won't have to guess which export settings to choose again.